$500 just gone like that. I'm so tired, guys. It's like 5 in the morning. Yeah, a little blue light. It's like a Subaru thing, and it takes a minute when it's in cold weather to warm up. Let's get this road trip started. I can tell you one thing though, the defroster, even though it's on low, it defrosts really quick in the BRZ since it's such a small little cabin. And a little perk of having the limited BRZ, this button right here, the defrosters. Go ahead and just press that, and it's gonna defrost the mirror. I haven't made a video like this in a while, and I decided why not make one, kind of like a vlog. I just got back from Reno and it was pretty fun. I usually don't gamble. Ended up gambling like $70 and I lost it all. So I'm not much of a gambler, as you guys know. But I did drive the BRZ out there for the first time and we had a casualty. This sucks so bad. Look at this. Oh, rip my STI skirt. Oh my gosh. And then I think I have a thing on the bottom I might have to pop out. Jeez. Both generations, super clean and good. Probably has a front lip. And Kona right here. Jeez, look how dirty it is. Oh man, look at the front. No front lip. Nice. You gotta park next to another BRZ, right? I think that's a rule. Like $500 just gone like that in a matter of a couple seconds. I didn't realize that it was my front lip that basically got like crushed, and like I was dragging it the entire time. I was thinking it was the 3D printed side skirts from Epsilon, but it wasn't until I got off the freeway where I was like, well, actually on the freeway I was like, I hear something dragging, and my girlfriend was like, no, I don't really hear anything. I'm like, dude, I hear it when I'm making only like right turn. It wasn't until I got off the freeway to make our left, to make the left turn that we were supposed to make, that's when I heard like something dragging, and I kept thinking it was a side skirt. So then I pulled off to the side and it was not the side skirt. I was hoping it was a side skirt because that thing was, it's a 3D printed part, but it was actually the front lip, and it was so devastating just seeing all that. And I ended up just throwing it away in the trash because basically there was like 4 of us in the car. There was no space. The trunk was full, and it's not like I could really do much. But I did want to keep the little STI badge, but unfortunately whoever is in Reno and wants to go to that, once they're in trash can, as you guys see in the video, it might still be there. Pretty much the best I could do right now without actually scrubbing it. There's going to be a lot of dirt still on it, but I just want to get rid of like any salt from underneath it. I'm actually about to go on a hike right now, but kind of hungry, so I'm thinking about getting some food before we go on this hike. I just don't know what to get yet. Snowing. It's such a hard decision choosing the C8 or Lotus Emira. Package arrived. I wasn't home yesterday to pick it up, or for it to get dropped off, so they left a note, and then I came to pick it up today just to kind of show you guys what they are. These little connectors, I don't know if the camera's really gonna pick it up, but it's basically the connectors that the OEM mirrors use on the USDM cars. And this was one of the connectors that was just such a pain to get. It took me over 2 years to figure out where I could source these from. And as you guys can see, I got the plastic parts. I just don't have the little like metal connector pieces that go in here. So on top of that, I'm waiting for the mirrors to arrive. It's probably gonna take another month or 2 for them to arrive because they're coming from sea instead of air. I just cheaped out on the shipping right there. But soon, guys, stay with me on this channel and remember to subscribe. Cut. We just got to one of my favorite hiking trails, and I haven't seen one of these cars in a while. It's a Focus RS. They stopped making these a couple years ago now, and it's always nice to see this one, especially on this color. It's a very sought after color. My boy's rocking some Brembo brakes with some Koenig wheels. Really nice. Oh, and he has a car seat in the back, so dad car, nice. If you guys are ever in the LG area, Santa Cruz area, definitely check out Castle Rock. It's a really good spot. And they actually have restrooms, Wi-Fi, and everything. Gotta go pay for parking. There you have free parking and paid parking, which is, I think it's $10, $15. I usually pay because it also supports the parks, and it's always good to just support your local like hiking trails. So it's actually $10 for parking. Pretty much the entrance. This is like the beginning of it. I think the hike itself is only, what do you think it is? How many miles is it? 3 miles. All one way? Wait, 3 miles one way or all? Oh, okay. So it's only 3 miles. I always thought it was longer. Came prepared. Some water, donuts. Did you bring any snacks, chocolates? Oh, that's for after. Oh my god, guys, I almost stepped on a snake, dude. I literally almost stepped on it. Here, I don't know if you guys can tell. It's right there. Dude, I literally almost stepped on it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's because it's getting hotter, but today's hike right here feels a lot tougher. I'm so tired. Let me show you guys the views though. Looks beautiful. Made it. I'm so tired. 3 miles down. Kona without her lip still. I still gotta find what lip I wanna go for. Should have cracked the windows down a little bit. And I ended up going to O'Reilly's because I basically ran out of this one, all wheel cleaner. It's a really good product. And I actually went to go buy some more because I saw they were on promotion and it was buy one, get one free. So I ended up buying 2, and then I ended up buying some other soap thing. So keep an eye out for that. If you guys ever see that promotion, definitely go and buy some. I actually bought these, and then Super Clean reached out like a couple days later saying if I wanted a care package, and I agreed. So let's start cleaning. I also went to Harbor Freight yesterday and bought this leather Chamos cleaner. It's supposed to like dry the car really well, streak free, spotless free. I'm going to be trying out today to see how good this product really does work. You could just spray like that. I like to just dab it a little bit, just so I don't waste too much of the material. And one thing you could do is pretty much use like a brush or a towel and just kind of like lather it a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little bit more just so I could get it on the brush. It has been a while that I've cleaned these, so